This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Moringa versus Amla. We will explore the distinct nutritional profiles and health benefits of these two remarkable superfoods. Moringa, often called the miracle tree, is renowned for its comprehensive nutrient content. Amla, the Indian gooseberry, stands out for its extraordinary vitamin C levels. By the end, you will have a clear understanding of their differences and similarities, helping you decide which might best support your wellness goals. When we look at their nutritional makeup, Moringa is a powerhouse, offering a broad spectrum of vitamins and minerals. It provides substantial amounts of vitamins A, C, E, and K, along with vital minerals such as calcium, iron, and potassium. Amla, on the other hand, is truly exceptional for its vitamin C content, boasting up to 20 times more than a typical orange. Both are rich in antioxidants, but their primary nutritional strengths differ significantly. Both superfoods offer impressive health benefits. Moringa is widely praised for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, which can help protect the body from cellular damage. It also shows promise in supporting balanced blood sugar levels and contributing to cardiovascular wellness. Amla, with its abundant vitamin C, is a fantastic immune booster. Furthermore, it is traditionally used to enhance hair and skin vitality and support a healthy digestive system. Regarding usage, Moringa is most often found as a dried leaf powder, easily incorporated into smoothies, soups, or baked goods. Amla can be enjoyed fresh as a juice or in powdered form, often used in traditional remedies. Both are generally considered safe for most people. However, if you are pregnant, nursing, or have underlying health conditions, it is always wise to consult a healthcare professional before adding them to your diet. Choose based on your individual wellness needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.